Aloha! Welcome to see my really happy fan from Japan for the really famous illustrator Higuchi Yuko's postcard collection. 100 of them. Yes. So here you go. If you're really interested in illustrations, this is a really fun collection which you can actually use, but it's also just perfect as a piece of art to put on the wall or on your desk. Send it to your loved one or use them as a reference, because all the illustration, the design are really interesting and quite fun, stylish, so it's something really good reference for you to study. So the rabbits and the cats is the famous one, of course, but all kind of weird animal that you see, the pigeons wearing skirts, the cat getting ready for the fish, the cat's growing, the wolf, the plants, more cats, more rabbits. So they're really fun thing, and the transformation of animal, you know, cat turning into octopus, all those kind of thing, and the cat and the bird become friends. That's really strange, right? But it can happen in art. That's the beauty of it. And scary panda, happy cat. Oh, interesting crocodile. Always between the painter. Emotional illustration. Octopus cat. 13. Oops. Classic story. Pretty panda. Weird frame. I like this one a lot. Quite a lot of detail. And you can put something interesting in the middle. The fox. Imagination is unlimited, and you can get this 100 postcards and can really inspire you and make you have some fun, you know, each day. You can just change one postcard a day, and your home will look already very different. So from collections, excuse me, collection. Oops. Love. But this one has lots of detail. This one also. So thank you for watching. I only have one, the only one. I'll make it more next time when I go to Japan, but this is the only one I have in my store. If you want to get it, please check the link from the website. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.